Okay, Dropbox team, once you have iMovie up, your job will now be to organize all of your photos in order and start editing and getting them all ready to go, all ready for your sound effects to be added and everything in addition to your movie. So, first off, we need to get your photos into this project. But before we do that, we need to create a new project, and in order to do that, we click File up here at the top when we're in iMovie and just click New Project. I'd like you to title your project the layer of your atmosphere, and I'm just going to work with the exosphere. So exosphere, go ahead and hit Create. Done. So this is the exosphere project. Now what I want you to do is go down here at the bottom to your Finder window, open that up, and since you've downloaded all of your photos onto your folder, we are going to go and find those. So first off, we need to go to your folder, find your name next to your folder or your team buddy's name, and find the layer of atmosphere folder, double click, and now we have all of these great photos. Now, what's awesome about a Mac or most computers is that you can drag your photos into iMovie. And so I would like you to organize all of your windows nicely. Maybe make your Finder window a little smaller, just to where you can see this spot with the dotted rectangles that says drag media here to create a new project. What we're going to do is, while we're in the folder of the exosphere photos, I want you to use the keystroke Command A, which selects all the photos that are in there. And again, that's Command A. A stands for all, so it selects all the photos. Now, click one of the photos, hold your clicker down, and drag the photos into your project. This positive X will come up, drop it in, and it'll take a little bit for the photos to drop on in, but once they are in, you will be ready to start editing all of your photos. So once those are in, you can get out of this window, just go straight into iMovie, fill your whole screen here, and we can get going. So if you click one of the photos, and you'll notice that as I scroll through, this red bar shows me what happens at that point of the photo. And it looks like there's what's called a panning. It zooms in or zooms out in your photo. And you're going to need to get rid of that on all of your photos. This is going to be kind of a tedious task, but it needs to be done. So this little box here that you see, the tiny little square on all of your photos with another square inside of it, if you double click it, this guy pops up on your window. And a way to just get rid of that, what they call Ken burns, is just to click Fit. And all of a sudden you just have your photo right there, all in its glory, on your screen. So you're going to have to go through each of your photos and click Fit. But say you run into this guy where you don't want this person's pants in the photo. So you can click Crop and adjust this square to where you want the photo to be. Also, at the top here, you have an arrow left, arrow right, and those are your rotate arrows. So say your photo was the wrong direction, just rotate it to where it needs to be. Also click Fit, so you just have the photo, no zooming in and out, and go through all of your photos, make sure everyone is in order and you've gotten rid of this zooming effect, and crop any that you need to crop, or just have it fit the entire photo. That's your task. Get all of your photos organized in the correct order, get rid of this Ken burns by having it fit, and crop any photo that needs to be cropped, like this one for example. I see some of the table, so let's crop it and move this box down. Alright, that's your job. Get to it.